Can you say Overspray? Hey guys, Tim with Shine Your Light Detailing. We've got a 2009 or 10 Mustang GT that really needs some work. So this is before it's washed. So what we're going to do is we're going to use lithium auto elixirs double tap shampoo. I'm going to do an iron decontamination on it. Even though it's black, we're still going to do it. That rear trim is really dull. So we're going to restore that with Sarah trim from the last coat. But yeah, this is going to be fun. This is going to be a lot of very enjoyable work. So this is for a wonderful gal. Anyway, there's the walk around. We're going to treat the glass. We're going to do all kinds of stuff with this car. Here's an example of some overspray removal on a black Mustang. Turn your speakers up so you can hear this. Okay, that's overspray. We're going to use Tim's high gloss detailer on this and a clay bar. We're going to do one small section and see how it comes out. Look at that. Quite amazing. Look at that side too, both sides. All right, let's get this wiped off. Let it dry. A lot of humidity here, so it may take a little bit for it to dry. Can you hear that? Much better. right, guys, we're pretty much done with the paint. We do a few touch-ups here and there, but I wanted to take some time and go over this with you. This is the hood that was not in good shape before, but it's gonna be a little better. And here's that one angle. I'll show you a picture of it if you haven't seen it yet when I put this video together. There's the hood. All right, let's go down the driver's side of the vehicle. Again, this is a 2009 or 2010. Been on the road for quite a while, so definitely not perfect paint, nor did we know it would be perfect. A little road rash here and there. Okay, well, let's move to the trunk lid. Again, there's some really deep scratches in this, so those we cannot get out, or else we'd be going right through the paint, and that's not going to happen. So let's go over to the passenger side, see what we got. Let's go check out the roof. Again, you can see some chips from rotor rash and that. Those can be addressed. Okay, let's go down the passenger side. What do you think, guys? Please leave a comment if you like this. Please hit the like button and subscribe. You can see I've got a little bit of polish and wax residue I gotta get off yet. But I wanted to get this video done. So we're gonna do that. There's that spot right there. And then we're gonna take it outside and do an exterior walk around. All right, guys? See you in a moment. Okay, guys, here's the hood of the Mustang GT. Down the driver's side. Okay, so you gotta let me know what you think of the before and the after in the comments. Let's go down the passenger side. Check out the roof. Front quarter and the hood. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I sincerely appreciate every one of you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in the next video. All right. Have a fantastic day.